Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you do any woodworking, you know that sometimes dealing with wood glue can be a major hassle, but this little bottle makes it a little bit easier. So this is from FastCap, and this is the glue bot, and this is a really handy way to apply wood glue to your projects, even in a vertical position. So the way that it works is you fill the container here, and then there's two chambers, and this side, once you squeeze it, the glue will come up and you're able to apply the glue from the tip here in a vertical manner. So you can use this in any position. Of course, you can hold it down, but you can also hold it upright and still be able to apply the glue, which is really nice. It comes with this little cap on a tether so you don't lose it, which is really good as well. It's also got a nice wide base, so it's really stable when you are filling it. It doesn't easily tip over. To fill it, you just open the larger chamber and add in your glue here, and then you're good to go. So this one has been through some things. We've had it for a while. You can see it's well loved, but it's used all the time and has held up very well and has made gluing up wood projects a lot easier. So if you are looking to make your project a little bit easier, then I would definitely check out this glue bot. It's a really great product. That's my point of view.